Evaluate the integral of cosine square root of x dx. So let's apply substitution first. We can use integration by parts here, but we apply substitution first. We let t equal to square root of x. And then we get the square of both sides. So we have t square is equal to the square root of x square x. Then let's get the derivative. Derivative of t squared 2t dt. Derivative of x dx. Then let's substitute. We have integral of cosine square root of x is t. And then this dx is 2t dt. Or we can rewrite this as 2t cosine integral of 2t cosine t dt. Now, using integration by parts or IBP for short, integral of u dv is equal to uv minus integral of v du. So, we can let u equal to 2t and we can let dv equal to cosine t. So, we get the derivative of u du, derivative of 2t, 2 dt. And then we integrate, sorry I forgot to put the dt, integral of dvv, integral of cosine t dt, positive sine t. Now, applying integration by parts, integral of 2t cosine t dt equal to uv, u is 2t, times v is sine t, then minus the integral of v, which is sine t, du, 2 dt. So, 2t sine t, let's put the constant in front, the 2, so we have negative 2 integral of sine t dt. So, 2t sine t, then minus 2, the integral of sine t dt is negative cosine t. Then put plus c for the constant of integration. So, we have 2t sine t, negative 2 times negative cosine t, positive 2 cosine t plus c. Then final step is to substitute back the t in terms of x, which is square root of x. So I have 2t, which is square root of x, times sine t square root of x, plus 2 cosine t square root of x, plus c. So this is the final answer.